Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I do my braided ninja bun with my own hair. This hair, girl, I haven't washed it in 2 weeks. I lightly straightened it 2 weeks ago and I haven't had a chance to wash it since. I've just been busy. That's my excuse. But yeah, before I wash it, I thought I'd show you guys how I do it on straight-ish hair. So I'm going to start by brushing my hair up into a loose bun. I do this so that I can make sure that the bun is positioned as high as I like it. I'm quite particular and I feel like if it's not high enough, it just won't look good. Promise that you'll love me, promise that you'll hold me, promise you won't leave me. Baby, promise that you'll love me, promise that you'll hold me, promise you won't leave me. Little birds singing in the morning time, sweet melodies, perfect harmony. So as you can see, I don't have much oil left, but there used to be a mixture of jojoba oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil and castor oil, and I'm just rubbing that on my hair because it was feeling a little bit dry. You guys can use any oil that you like. This is just my mixture that I use. Because if you love me, you won't leave me on my own. So I've mentioned before that the edge control that I use is air cream and I got it from Ghana. I'm not sure how easily you can get it in the UK or the US, but there's loads of other edge controls you can use. I just want to get... So once your edges are all oiled up and brushed, you then want to take out your hairband and retie it tighter this time. As I said before, I like to put my hair right up on top of my head. That's just how I like it. You guys can do it a bit further back if you want to. I use one of those hairbands that don't have a break in it, the ones that don't have the silver bits that can snag your hair. So it does stretch a lot, so I usually have to tie my hair like 5 times. So before you get started on actually plaiting the hair, you're going to separate a section of it. You're going to use this later on to wrap it around the base of the bun. Promise that you love me, promise that you hold me, promise you won't leave me. So I'm going to get started on this plait. You're going to make sure you don't do it too tight or else the look is, you're not going to get the right look. Yeah, that was a fail, so I'm going to go again. I'm going to make sure that there's no flyaway bits and that the plait is relatively smooth. If your hair's not long enough to do this yet, you can always add some extensions, but just make sure you don't make the plait too long. So once you've done your plait and you've made sure that it's quite loose, not too tight, you're going to bend it over into the back and tuck the end into your hairband. You're then going to get the piece that you left out at the beginning and wrap it around the base of the bun. I had to split mine into 2 because I realised that that piece of hair wasn't going to make it all the way around the base. You want to match the thickness of the bun, you don't want to make it too tight. So I'm going to wrap one piece one way and then the other piece the other way to make sure I cover the whole thing. You don't want to see the hairband. Little birds singing in the morning time, sweet melodies, perfect. So as you're pinning the hair away, you want to make sure that all the ends are tucked away. All the bits that are trying to escape are neatly tucked away and out of sight. You don't want to give away where the bun starts or ends. It's supposed to look like a really complicated bun, but it's actually really simple. As always, I've got my trusty toothbrush and I'm just gonna slick up my edges, a few swoops here and there to complete the look.
Promise that you love me, promise that you hold me, promise you won't leave me, baby. I just want to give you all my love.
So now the bun is done. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments, like it if you do, subscribe. Yeah guys, I love doing these videos and I want to get more done. Let me know what you guys think, what else you want to see, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye.